Rocket want to stay ahead in digital marketing in 2025? Discover the top AI tools that are revolutionizing how marketers work smarter, faster, and more effectively. In this video, I'm sharing the best AI tools every digital marketer should use in 2025, from content creation to ad copy, SEO, design, and automation. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or content creator, these tools will boost your productivity and skyrocket your results. Bullseye what you'll learn. Checkmark best AI tools for content writing. Checkmark top AI tools for social media and ad creatives. Checkmark ICO tools to rank on Google faster. Checkmark automation tools to save you time. Checkmark bonus AI tools for marketing in 2025. Lightbulb. These tools are used by pros to create high converting content, optimize campaigns, and grow faster, with less effort.